In this video I'm going to show you how the blender and temperature gonna work and time. So you have to press whatever the desired time, temperature by this button, and then speed with this one. Time I'll do maybe a little bit longer for 35 seconds. So temperature 40, time 40, speed 1. And to initiate the program, start button. If you want to pause it, press that button. So you're going to see temperature gonna start to climb up. It depends on how much content you have in the machine or in the jug. Same way, and if you want to reset, press and hold that button for about 3 to 4 seconds. It's gonna reset. Also, you can do that without timer function. So press the speed, temperature, whatever you need. I say 50, and then start. Sorry, not that button, this button. If you want to start the heating, blending without time, you have to press that button, temperature button. Sorry, heating button. If you want to reset this program, sorry, pause that. If you want to reset, press and hold it.